Wait, oh, why is my lunchbox glowing? Did something move inside? I really want to open it now. No, wait, open it later. Okay. Wow, I can't wait anymore. This feels like magic. Okay, time to check. Wait, what if it's something weird? Oh, wow. A glowing note? Share your food today. Hey, share? Why? Will magic really happen? Oh, can I taste a little? Okay, just a bit. Here, wait, take it. Nothing is happening. Oh. Wait, it's glowing again. Wow, this is real magic. The food looks bigger.
Wow, it tastes amazing.
Sharing did this? This is fun. Wait, oh. Another note just appeared. How did that happen? Hey, help someone today? Wait, what? Oh, wait, he looks sad. Maybe I can help him. Hey, don't worry, I'll help you. Oh, thank you. That feels nice. Wait-o, it's glowing again. Did helping make it stronger? Wow, hey, there's more food now. Kindness grows magic. And, hey, come on, let's share together. Wow! This is so fun! Wait. Hey, why is the glow going away? Oh no, did I do something wrong? Stopped. There's no magic now? Why did it suddenly end? Wait, he's all alone? I didn't help him. Oh, wait, maybe I missed something? I need to fix this. Hey, why are you sitting alone? Did something happen? Oh, I forgot my lunch today.
Wait, really? You didn't eat anything?
Hey, don't worry, we can share.
Oh, really? You'd share with me?
Oh, the glow is back. Wow, it feels warm and nice. Wait, oh wow, it's glowing so bright now. Something big is happening. Hey, it opened by itself. Oh, another note is coming out. The magic is you.
Wait, what? Oh, I don't understand.
Wait, oh, I made them happy. Am I the magic? It wasn't the box, was it? Oh, it was what I did. Hey, thank you, Leo. I feel really good now.
Oh, really? That makes me happy too.
Wow, everyone is smiling. This feels like real magic. Wait, I get it now. Kindness is the magic. You won't believe this. Something amazing happened today. Hey, the lunchbox had magic notes. Wait, and it glowed when I shared.
Oh, really? And what did you learn?
That helping makes people happy. Oh, this is the real magic.
And it lives inside you.
Oh, wow! was fun, right? Hey, tap like and subscribe now!